Hi, I'm John, and I'm an instructor here at the SAE Institute in Miami, and we're going to talk about using an EQ in Ableton Live. So let's talk about how to open up an EQ and use it inside of Ableton Live. So we're in the arrangement view of our session right now, and I'm going to put an EQ on the drum track. So we can hear it, I'm going to go ahead and solo the drums by going up to this S and make sure it's highlighted. Now to get to an EQ, we're going to go ahead and go up to the top left hand of the window, click on the arrow to expand the browser. If we go ahead and scroll down to audio effects, we can now go down to where it says EQ8. Okay. And now down here, I'm in my clip view, but I'm going to go ahead and hit Shift Tab to scroll over to my device view. Now I can grab this EQ8, basically just click and drag it down to my device right after where my drum machine is. And now you'll see I have an EQ8 opened up on this drum track. I'll go ahead and close my browser. Now inside here I actually have an 8-band fully parametric EQ. You'll see only 4 of my bands are on right now, but I can easily turn on the other 4 bands by just clicking on their boxes below. And I can actually change each one of my bands to be a different kind of EQ curve, anywhere from a peak EQ to a shelving EQ, as well as a high pass or low pass filter or brick wall filters. You can easily adjust the EQ by grabbing on the little circle with its number inside of the graphical user interface, or you can go over and actually select its parameters here. You can change its gain, its center frequency, and its Q. Let's go ahead and use our EQ1 as a high pass filter. We'll use EQ3 to get out a thin bit of the high mids. We'll pull it up, thin out the Q, and we'll then bring it down and widen up the Q a little bit. And that's using an EQ in Ableton Live. Hi, you've been talking with me, John, an instructor here at the SAE Institute, and we just covered using an EQ in Ableton Live. For more tutorials like this, please visit usa.sae.edu.